Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to centralize the base URL in Pytest using fixture. So what are Pytest fixtures? Pytest fixtures are used to set up and tear down test data or test configuration. They help us to avoid code duplication and allow us to reuse common logic across multiple test cases. Why centralize base URL using fixtures? Because in real projects, we often work with multiple environments like dev, QA, staging, and production. Hard coding the base URL in every test makes maintenance difficult. Benefits of using centralized base URL: one place to manage environment URLs, easy switching between environments, and reduce duplication and human error. In this tutorial, I will explain step by step how we can centralize the base URL using a fixture. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail how you can manage multiple test cases in PyTest. As you can view here in this file, total two function test underscore login first navigate to the URL and parabank title should be displayed after open this URL. And the second test case verify this admin page text should be displayed after clicking on this link. First navigate to this URL and this link admin page text should be displayed. So open this file conftest.py. By using this file, you can define here setup and tear down. Before executing any test case, first you need to open Chrome browser, and after executing all the test cases, you need to close the browser. So here we define Chrome driver and then service here. First install this Chrome driver manager by this service and then maximize the window. In this file, you do not need to enter Chrome driver manager. We define here in a separate file. Here we will add another function for base URL iterate pytest dot and then function base URL enter function name base underscore URL return enter this URL. Enter double quote here and error has been gone. Now we will use this variable name. As you can view here, this is the function and then function name is base underscore URL. Instead of defining hard-coded URL, we can define here browser base URL and then enter base URL. First navigate to the URL browser port get. If you click on this one, and here we define base underscore URL. Same as well, we can enter here instead of defining hard-coded URL, we can define here assign browser dot current URL is equal to base underscore URL because we have already defined base URL in a separate file. If you are working on a multiple environment, you need to change a base URL. Suppose you want to perform the testing on a staging environment. So you just need to change in this file. Instead of changing here, you just need to make changes here. Same as well, we need to enter base URL here. Enter here base underscore URL. Now we can run the test. As you can view here, if we click on this one, navigate to this URL. Now run the test. For running the test, open terminal and then enter command here Pytest and then enter file name test underscore demo. Test underscore demo.py. Collect two items because in this file total two test cases. First, it will open the URL and maximize the window. Navigate to this URL. First test case executed successfully. Now navigate to the URL and it will check admin page text should be displayed after opting this URL. Both test cases have been passed. As you can view here, two passed, and this is the time of execution. So that's how you can centralize your base URL in Pytest using fixtures and build a clean, scalable automation framework. This approach is widely used in real-time projects and makes your test much easier to maintain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.